Hi, thank you for being here. Today I have for you top 3 best sandalwood fragrances. So keep on watching. Let's start with the newest one, and I'm so happy to have it. It's from Armani Prive. It's Santal Complet. The box looks like this. I did a short unboxing, so it's like this, as usual for Armani Prive. And then it sits here. I like this a lot. And then this is the 100 ml. It's very nice. What does it smell like? Immediately, first spray, it reminds me of Yves Saint Laurent Caban, which I used to have, but I gave it away because it reminds me of my dad when my parents got divorced when I was very little, and I don't want to be reminded of that period. It transforms. In the next second, I get citruses. And I think this one is perfect for any occasion, and it's understated, but it has a special presence. It also works in the summer heat, also in the winter. I didn't get the chance, but I think it will. And it's completely unisex. The citruses go away, and you get a lot of sandalwood. Even if it's eau de toilette, it lasts very long, and towards the end, I get the same feeling as with Escentric Molecule 01, that woody, clean feeling to it. And this is something that I would wear anytime. It will never bother me, I think, even if I have a bad morning. I'm not a morning person at all. And I spray this on. I'm ready. I'm ready to conquer the day. The perfect occasion is waking up in the morning and putting on your boyfriend's shirt, like a crisp white shirt, super clean, but it has a slight masculine and familiar scent to it. And you feel protected. It's gorgeous. Signature scent worthy. All fragrances are signature scent worthy. So if you want to smell like money, but in an understated way, try this one out. The next sandalwood, of course, couldn't be any other than Santal Complet from Fragrance du Bois. This gets mixed reviews. Some people love it, some people don't. One of my good friends used to wear Calvin Klein into you when I was in my university years. And the dry down is supposed to be similar. I don't really see that. This one is very special. And people don't like it because it's not long lasting. And I can see that. It's not long lasting, but I also read that you are supposed to let it sit for a few months and then it will become better. So I will try it. As I mentioned, if I had to choose between a magical smell and 24 hours lasting smell, I will choose the magical smell, and I can respray, carry a decant with me, spray it again. This is completely delicious. To my nose, it's sandalwood. So imagine you are sitting on a bench somewhere at a spa. You are wearing a robe and the most luxurious creams, and you are eating some coconut slices, the fresh ones, that are also salty. So this creates a salty coconut aura around you. It's skincare luxurious experience in the bottle. You have to spray a lot, you have to spray it again, but yeah, maybe you will grow up in a few months and you will last longer. Number 3, in my opinion, is from Musk Milano, Lost Alice. I had a special review with this one from my trip to Kuala Lumpur. I will link it. I get iris, carrots, and it's very powdery. I could say earthy. And as it develops, I get a lot of sandalwood. And it's again a very luxurious experience, as if you are not really wearing perfume, but you smell gorgeous. Kind of magical person entering the room. Check out my complete review. It's beautiful. Let me know in the comments down below. Have you tried them? Do you have any other sandalwood favorite perfume? Let me know. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Wear what makes you happy, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.